In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line in TradingView. Whether you're marking support and resistance, highlighting a trend, or simply calling out a key level, a clean, accurate line can make your analysis much clearer. I'll walk you through it in a simple, friendly way so you can follow along on any chart you have open. First, look to the left side of your TradingView chart for the vertical tools panel. Find the brush icon there and click it. This opens the drawing tools. Once it's open, you'll see options that let you place straight lines and other drawings on your chart. If the straight line isn't immediately active, choose the line or trend line option from the mini menu that appears. Don't worry if the icons look slightly different on your layout. The idea is the same. The brush icon reveals the drawing tools so you can access the line. Now that the line tool is ready, move your cursor to the exact spot on your chart where you want the line to begin. Click once to set your starting point. Then move your cursor to the place where you want the line to end and click again to finish it. You can also click, hold, and drag from the start to the end, then release. If you need extra precision, zoom in before you place the line so you can anchor it right on the wick or the close of a candle. For perfectly horizontal or vertical lines, hold the Shift key while drawing to snap the angle cleanly. After the line appears, you can fine-tune it without starting over. Hover near either endpoint until you see the handles, then click and drag to reposition the ends. If you want to move the entire line, click near the middle and drag it to a new location. A small toolbar typically shows up when your line is selected. Use it to adjust the color, thickness, and style so your line stands out against the chart. Keeping your color choices consistent, like one color for support and another for resistance, can make your analysis easier to read later. If a line doesn't land exactly where you meant, just press Escape before placing the second point to cancel and try again. You can also undo your last action with the standard undo shortcut. That's it. Click the brush icon on the left panel, then draw your line directly on the chart with 2 simple clicks. With a little practice, you'll place crisp, professional lines in seconds and keep your charts clear, accurate, and easy to review.